Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we are going to watch a problem where we have to print an integer if it is a multiple of neither 2 nor 5. That is, when I input 8, which is multiple of 2, it will show incorrect. When I input 25, it is a multiple of 5, so it is also showing correct. When I give input 20, which is a multiple of both 2 and 5, it is also showing incorrect. But when I input 9, which is not a multiple of 2 nor 5, it is showing correct. So let us see how you can write the code here. First of all, I am going to take a num variable where I am going to take the input from the user. Now I am going to use the if else condition and I am going to check it. Okay, my code is complete. So what we are watching here is that first I have taken the num in variable where I have taken the input, and in the next line I am checking if not num mod 2 equal to 0 or num mod 5 equal to 0. So what does the line mean? So I have already know that num mod 2 equal to 0 means when the number is divided by 2, its remainder equal to 0. And num mod 5 equal to 0 means number divided by 5 equal to and the remainder is 0. And by using or we mean that either any of these condition. And now here we can see that we have used a not here, which is also like or condition or and condition. So we have three: or, and not. So we are using not in here, that is either this condition or this condition. And by using not, we are telling that none of this, neither 2 nor 5, none of this. If this condition satisfies, then only then if condition will work, otherwise the else condition will work. Let me just tell you again what does this mean by showing an example here, so let me just run it. I am inputting 8. 8 means it is a multiple of 2, but it is showing incorrect because it is multiple of 2. Again, let me just run it. I am giving another number, that is 25, which is a multiple of 5. It is also showing incorrect. Again, I am going to run it and I am going to give 20, which is a multiple of both 2 and 5. It is also showing incorrect. Now let me input the value 9, which is not a multiple of 2 nor 5, and now it is showing correct because in my condition I have given if not, that is neither this that is nor the multiple of 2 nor the multiple of 5, only then the if condition will work, otherwise the L condition will work. So I hope you understand the video. There is a Bangla version of this video and I will give the link in the description below. If you have any kind of problem, comment down in the comment section. Just for today, hope you guys in the next video. Thank you.